Hey, this is Brad with WTI. Garage storage. Yeah, it can be tough. It's hard to keep it organized. It's hard to keep things looking nice and straight. That's where these Dtrik adjustable floating wall shelf system comes in really handy. So what was nice about it is even if you're not exactly sure where your studs are and things like that, because it's so adjustable, you're able to kind of make it fit and make it solid on your garage shelves, or in this case, you're able to put it into concrete as well. What was nice is it came with a really nice, easy to use template. It had a little level that you put in there. So instead of trying to use a measuring tape or like a long straight edge or something, it came with it for you. I like the black paint on them. It seems really durable, like it'll be scratch resistant. I like also that it comes with all these little holes where you can put the hooks that come with it. It's able to hold a good amount of weight. You can see what we've got stacked up on there in our garage. And so we're not worried about it falling off the wall, which is a nice feature. Also, they're pretty light in and of themselves, surprisingly light. When you get the package, for as strong as they are, you expect them to be really heavy, but they're actually nice and light. So they're strong and light, which is a really nice feature as well. It comes in a pack of 2. And so, like I said, you could put them together in a corner. You could put them together along a straight edge. We chose to separate them because of what we needed in our garage. So we decided to put one on this side of the garage and one on the other side of the garage. And so that really freed up a lot of space to make our garage look better. Like I said, garages are tough to keep organized, clean, and these shelves can help you do that. That's just my point of view.